Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today my project is about how to make this very beautiful and elegant quilled mirror. So I will show you all the parts in detail with step-by-step procedure. So let's get started. For this we need some multicolor 3mm quilling strips, scissor, tweezer, quilling tool, liquid glue, one rounder, one circle plywood base, one mirror and pink and green color craft paper. First I am taking this circle plywood base. The diameter is 30 cm and I have attached the hanging on the back side. If you can't find the plywood, you can also use thick mount board in place of that. Now I am taking this pink color round paper of the same size and I will connect this on top of the plywood. So just add glue and connect the paper on top of this. Now I am taking this green color paper. The diameter of this circle is 20 cm and I will connect this green paper circle on top of the pink paper circle. Like this. Let it dry for some time. Now I am taking the mirror. The diameter is 15 cm and the thickness is 3 mm. Now I am applying some strong adhesive on backside of this. You can also use Fevibond. Now I am connecting the mirror on top of this. Let it completely dry. So it's dry now. Now I am adding one circle paper on top of this so that while working on the mirror it will not get damaged. Now I am starting with my first row. So I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. Like this. In the same way I have created some more tight coils. So add these tight coils around the mirror. Here I want to mention that the strip size I am using today is 45 cm. After adding first row, it will look like this. Now I will start with second row. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of pink color, 1/4 white and half strip of dark green color. First make a tight coil. Then pinch on both the sides to make a leaf shape. Like this. Now make a dome using your fingers inside this leaf and add glue. Let it dry. In the same way I have created some more leaf domes. So I will connect these leaf shapes between two yellow tight coils. Like this. So complete this row. So after adding second row, it will look like this. Now I am starting with third row. For this I am taking 1/6 strip of light green and making one tight coil. Like this. Now I am adding these green tight coils between each leaf shape. like this. So complete this row. The third row is ready now. Now for the fourth row I am adding again yellow color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip of yellow. So fourth row is also done. Now I will start with fifth row. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of pink and half strip of purple color. Just make one tight coil. And connect this tight coil around this yellow tight coil row. So after adding the fifth row, it will look like this. Now I am taking my rounder and I have marked it on 7.5 centimeter, and now I am just marking around the edge of circle, and I am making total 12 equal parts by marking on this. So it's done. Now I'm making one tight coil using 1/4 pink, 1/4 white and half dark green strip. Secure the end. So the tight coil is ready. In the same way I have created some more tight coils. Now I will connect these tight coils around the edge of the circle. Now I will show you how to make the scroll. For this I am taking 1/6 strips of dark green, yellow and white. First I am adding 2 dark green strips, then 2 white color strips, then 4 yellow strips, again 2 white color strips. All the strips I am joining from the top only, and at the end I am adding 2 dark green strips. Now taking the tweezer and twisting in one direction to make a scroll. Just open the scroll and secure all the ends. So the scroll is ready. Now I will show you how to make the small scroll. For this I am using 1/6 strip of pink, white and light green. First I am joining 2 pink strips, then 2 white strips, then 4 light green strips, then 2 white strips, and after that 2 pink color strips. Again take a tweezer and twist in one direction. Like this. Cut excess strips from the bottom and secure all the ends. So this is also done. Now I will show you how to make this leaf shape. For this I am taking half strip of dark green and 1/4 strip of white color. First make a tight coil and then pinch on both the sides to make a leaf. In the same way I have created one more green and one purple color leaf shape. Now I will show you how to make this Malaysian flower petal. For this I am taking half strip of purple and 1/4 strip of yellow. First make a loose coil, pinch this and twist this shape using quilling tool. Now wrap this whole petal using yellow color strip. So this is done. Now I am taking half strip of white and 1/4 strip of pink color and making one tight coil. After that I am taking 1/4 strip of light green and half strip of dark green and making one more tight coil. And at the end I am taking one pink and half purple strip and making one tight teardrop shape. So all the shapes are done. Now I will decorate my mirror. So I have already created two patterns here. I will show you how to create this. So we have already created these markings on each part and divided in 12 equal parts. So we just need to create the pattern between each part. First I am adding this scroll and then all other shapes. So it's done. Repeat this process for whole circle. So after adding all the patterns, the mirror will look like this. Isn't it very beautiful and very royal looking? Now you can remove the paper from the mirror and the mirror will look like this. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.